on the descent, watch your side. Coming down another 2 feet. Hold, hold. Watch the wheels on this side, it's heavy. Got it. We're on the deck.
Rust penetration here goes deep.
And the damage to the rotor system is critical.
Okay.
I've logged the serial number and the corrosion pattern.
The forward transmission casing is completely compromised.
Yeah, we'll need the heavy lift gear for this section.
According to the diagram here, this bracket needs to be flush.
Got it. Let's run the rivet gun on the lower seam first.
Did you check the schematic for the pressure setting?
Yes, it needs 40 foot-pounds. There, it clicked. We need 250 foot-pounds on the main attachment bolt, right where the fatigue stress is highest.
Roger that. Applying torque now. Let me know when you've logged it.
Ground control, this is safety 1. Rotor spin up is stable, all parameters green, we are good to proceed.
Verify the connection point against the schematic.
It's aligned. I'm logging the replacement now.
Check the pressure on the forward gear.
Looks good from here.
We're clear on the intake manifold. Hairline fracture here, just above the patch. Got it. Looks consistent with the previous report. Check the alignment on this panel here. Confirmed. I'll log it. Hydraulics are good.
Rotor lock pin removed.
Copy that. Forward stabilizer cover clear. Confirm, next blade.
This diagram showed the ground wire routing. Right, make sure it matches the updated service bulletin. Okay, this bundle here is definitely compromised. Agreed. I've already applied the yellow tag for replacement. Hand me the crimping tool, please.
Here you go. Make sure the connection is solid before we seal it.
10.304, confirm voltage. Reading 12.5 volts, steady. Copy that, system check is green.
Panel secured.
Confirmed on the digital manifest. Good to go.
Avionics check complete. All parameters nominal.
Very good. Sign off on the final inspection.